In this video we're going to be looking at the continuous join as you go, which is the perfect join if you are joining granny squares in the same joining colour. It means that you're going to have less wasted and you'll have less ends to weave in. I'm joining 9 squares which I've arranged in a 3x3 grid. We will be starting in the top left hand corner. I'll be working down in columns joining. I'm just showing you here the direction that we will be travelling in. I'll make a start by making a partial corner in the top left hand side of my first granny square. I'll be working 3 trebles, which is a UK treble and US double crochet. And in each space along, I will be working another 3 treble crochet. Worked 3 treble crochet in each of the spaces, including the corner space, and we're going to be working along the bottom of the square. Start by completing this corner with chain 1 and 3 treble crochet, and we'll work 3 treble crochet in each space along, including the corner space. Now I have 2 sides of my first granny square completed. We're going to start joining in our second square. We're going to chain 1 after our partial corner. We're going to take our new square. These are going to be back to back. And we're going to work 3 treble crochet for a partial corner into square 2. We're now going to be working a slip stitch into square 1. These slip stitches that we'll be using will be joining our squares together. Move into the next space now to complete another 3 treble crochet and join to the first square with a slip stitch. Continue working along to the end, making 3 treble crochet in each space and a slip stitch into the space of square 1. In the corner, work the partial 3 treble crochet corner and slip stitch into the corner of square 1. Now I have the first 2 squares joined together. I need to complete the square 2 corner with a chain 2 treble crochet, work along down the side and along the bottom. Now that square 2 has the side and the bottom completed, I need to join in square 3, just as square 2 was joined, making 3 treble crochet in each space and making a slip stitch into square 2. Work around to bottom right corner. Now the first column is joined. I need to work at the side of this column. Start by completing the corner and work 3 treble crochet in each space up, working a slip stitch in the chain 1 space here. first column of squares is now complete. We need to join square 4, put 3 treble crochet in each space while slipping into the corresponding square 1 space. Once the partial corner is complete, we're going to slip stitch diagonally into the corner of square 2 to join. And complete the square by working along the bottom, finishing with a partial corner and chain 1. And begin to join square 5 up until the first partial corner. To complete the corner where the 4 corners meet, I'll be slipping diagonally again, but this time into square 1. And I will chain 1 and continue square 5 along the side, joining square 2 and along the bottom. Join square 6 in the same way and complete the column by working at the side as before. Continue joining your next column of squares, working along the bottom and up the side. In the corner, make 3 treble crochet, chain 1, 3 treble crochet, and work along the top just as we have been along the sides, and slip stitch into the first corner and fasten off. I have made a free companion PDF which contains lots of photos of the individual steps and information on my new Pressed Petals Blanket. You can find this on my Ko-fi page, together with lots more free tutorials and crochet resources. I'll pop a link for these in the description and in the comments. Thank you for joining me. I do hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Please do let me know in the comments and subscribe to my channel for further tutorials.